Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a custom domain in Schedule.so. A custom domain lets you host your booking page on your own branded URL, making your scheduling experience look more professional and aligned with your business, instead of sharing a default booking link. You can use your own domain or subdomain so your booking page feels like a natural part of your brand. Let's get started. As mentioned during onboarding, you can set this up either during onboarding or later from the dashboard. In this video, we'll set it up from the dashboard. To set it up now, go to the top navigation bar and click on Domains. Then click Add New Domain. Now enter the domain or subdomain you want to use for your booking page. For example, you might use something like bookings.acmacorp.com. This will be the address people use to access your public booking page. Once you've entered the domain, continue to the next step. After adding your domain, Schedule will provide the DNS details needed to connect it. These details are used to link your domain provider with Schedule. Keep this page open because you'll need to copy the values exactly as shown. Now go to your DNS provider. Click Add Record. Then choose CNAME as the record type. Now return to Schedule and copy the CNAME name shown there. Now paste it into the name field in Cloudflare. Then copy the CNAME target value from Schedule and paste it into the target field. Before saving, make sure Proxy is turned off and set to DNS only. This is important because Schedule needs direct access to verify the domain and complete the SSL setup. If the record is proxied, verification may fail. You can keep the TTL at a low value, such as 1 minute, to help the record update faster. Once everything is filled in, save the record. After that, DNS propagation may take some time depending on your provider, so it may take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours before the domain is ready for verification. After adding the DNS record, go back to the Domain section in Schedule. Your domain may show as pending until the DNS record is detected and SSL is issued. Open the domain setting and click Verify Domain. If the DNS record has been added correctly, Schedule will verify the domain and complete the SSL setup. Once verification is successful, your custom domain will be ready to use for your booking page. After you connect a custom domain, you need to add your own reCAPTCHA v3 keys to keep your booking pages protected from spam and abuse. To create these keys, open the Google reCAPTCHA dashboard and create a new site. Add a label. Choose reCAPTCHA v3. Enter your full custom domain under Domains, and then click Submit to generate the keys. Next, copy the site key and secret key and paste them into the matching fields in Schedule. Then click Update to save the changes. You can now set this as your default domain. Once saved, reCAPTCHA v3 will be active on your custom domain. Now let's use your custom domain in an event. Open the event you want to use with your custom domain. You'll see the list of connected domains available in your account. Choose your verified custom domain, then enter a short URL slug such as meeting, consultation, or book a call. After that, save the event setting, and that's it. Your event is now using your custom domain, so every booking link you share feels more polished, more professional, and fully aligned with your brand in Schedule.so.